about symbols. So, use symbols. Using symbols will speed up your hash. Let's talk about why. Okay, so here we've got some strings. This is a string, right? And we're going to find out its object ID in memory. And same thing for this same identical looking string, and see its ID in memory. And then we're going to see this is a symbol and check out what's happening here. So let's just run this sucker for a second. And fascinating, right? So we can see that these two strings, although they look the same, they and almost, right, almost identical, but not quite, right? They're actually two different objects that live inside the computer's memory. So keep that in mind. Now we go down here to the symbol, and we can see that they are in fact the same, right? So we've got two of these, but they're actually pointing to the same memory location, the same object sitting in memory location, and versus the other one, which has two different ones. So this matters. This is important. So because that means that the computer has to work harder to find, especially when you have like tons and tons of these things, right? You've got 100 of them or so, or over the course of a program, you got thousands of them. It's a lot faster for the computer to deal with the symbol because it's only looking at that one location versus, if you got 1,000 of these suckers, it's looking at 1,000 different locations, right? If you're using a string, right? Versus if you're using a symbol, it's going to find that one. Versus a string, if it's 1,000 of these things, it's going to find like 1,000. That's going to take a lot of time, right? So symbols are used to because of that memory hit to make things move along a lot smoother. So now symbols, you would typically use a symbol in a situation where you wish to use a constant, but you want that constant to be named like you would a string, right? So now we can rewrite our secret identities like so. So now we've got these guys. We've taken out that string and said, okay, the Batman and Superman and Wonder Woman. We've made these into symbols now. So same thing in our hash new notation, right? You just put the symbol inside the brackets when you create the each new name value pair that you want to put into the hash, and that's it. It's basically all you got to do. Just remember that symbols are a lot better for memory than writing things out as a string when you're creating these guys, and there you go.